Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the video background in CapCut. Now open up CapCut and let's tap on New Video. The first thing that you want to do is choose the background of that video, not the foreground that you wanted to change or cut out. So I'm going to select this video as the background and hit Add. Now, after I've done that, I want to add the other video on top of this video, and then I'll remove all of the background and use this as the background. So to be able to do that, if you selected this video, you're going to tap on the little arrow at the bottom left, and we're going to tap on Overlay here at the bottom center and Add Overlay. Now from here, I'm going to add this video that I just took and hit Add. Now you can see here's another video on top of here, and I'm going to zoom in so that it's basically crops it to the whole thing. But let's say I wanted to have the background as this crawfish boil. What I'm going to do is make sure this video is selected, the foreground video. So if it's not selected, just select it. And then we're going to swipe all the way over, and you'll be able to see it's towards the end, remove BG or remove background. If I tap on that, I can choose auto removal here, and it will automatically remove the entire background. Keep in mind, this is a CapCut premium feature, so you will have to pay for this, but just like that, it removes the background and just shows the background video of here. Keep in mind, you can always just crop these, and then when you're ready, tap the export button at the top right. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.